It's been fun. Hope you all the best luck in the world. That's it. Remember Bob? Oh, I'm so glad you got that, Bubba. Can't beat that. It'll be one and only there. After we're all good and gone. I took everything home. Don't whatever you do, don't include him. Because he's going to ruin my whole...
I don't want to...
Oh, Paul, you rotten.
I don't want to be in your movie.
Our wives don't even know where we at, right? how we actually work.
This is mine, what you think it is. Basically suspect. Your boy, I'm just going. Well, I don't hear nothing.
Better off. I don't.
Thanks, Sam.
Back there.
Different type of song.
But let's give Dan a big hand for his wonderful music that he provides for us. Firstly, I'd like to thank all of you that come by this way and join us with this fellowship. But and also thanks to mamas that prepare the food for us here. Don't forget that because we might need it again before we get laid off. But we'll have a video of this thing. As you notice, Paul is taking a video. If you want a copy of it, all you need is to give him a blank tape, and he'll be more than glad to give you a copy of it for free. Isn't that nice of him? And also Jim Moore, I don't know if he's still here, but he took a lot of still picture, and we can have some copies of it and see which picture you want from off of it. We appropriately entitled this get together, thanks for the memories. Memories is all we're going to have about this place, about our co-workers, and Palm Plant as a whole. So I gave you guys a piece of paper with about, I say thanks for the memory, about help me out sing that song, and this is for kicks and for fun, so see if you can help me sing it. Thanks for the memories that makes me understand. Many rush and quit because they can't really compete. Oh, thanks so much. Thanks for the memories we have found you. We knew when we were young, writing difference here and there to justify our aim. Oh, thanks so much. Thanks for the memories. The next to know about the brains, our games and crossword puzzles, the 10 nightmares that we endure when we are forced in the floor. Oh, thanks so much. That's our song. Anyway, so to add more to this, we're going to have an impromptu program here. We'll have I know you guys have got some of the memories that you may want to share with us, with everybody. Just like Mike Fitzgerald came by here, he said he grew up in MAB1. He also lost his hair in MAB1. Also, we have a fellow named John Campbell, who is so prejudiced that he got struck by lightning and got himself a white spot behind his head. And while I'm here, I'm going to start with mine, and you guys can tear me apart after that. But I want to impersonate Joe Darby. Hey, come on, babe. Gotta go, babe. Gotta go. Gotta get to work. And Joe also have a dictionary that most of you most likely know about. He said it's a safe room, but Joe called it a space what? He called it space room or something like that. And one day somebody was asking where Bob Prelix was, and Joe said, oh, he's out there taking his altitude test. I think what he meant to say is for altitude test. Joe, you can hit me, Joe, anytime you want. And we have also a fellow named Melstein, who is so famous with his MIR. I asked him one day, Mel, what does MIR stands for? He said, well, let me look it up in the book, he said. He thought he meant Mel's Internal Revenue or something. Anyway, Mel, you can hit me too. So, before I leave here, I want everyone that has an episode that you might want to share, or a joke that, you know, we can talk about, you know, when we get up. We would like to hear it. Any takers?
Nobody, huh? Well, I got a joke for you. Seems these two French nuns, never been to the U.S. before, didn't know any of the customs. They came over here for a trip. First time to the United States, Central Park, New York, walking around, saw a hot dog wagon. They'd heard about these, didn't know what they were. And they said, well, let's try one of those. So they bought 2 hot dogs, went over to a park bench to sit down and eat them. One of these nuns opened that thing up and looked at it for a bit, wrapped it back up, went to the trash can and threw it away. Went back, sat down, and she says, which part of the dog did you get? I can't get nobody to come over here and take some of the pressure off of me, I guess. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Well, the heck fire. Okay, just be that way. Speed it up a little bit. I don't know if they'll let you. That kind of music just soothes my soul. I reminisce about the days ago and that old time rock. himself. I haven't worked it up, Johnny. I haven't worked it up. Achy breaky heart, I know. Yeah. It's going to hear no rat music.
I think he said rat.
I'm going to grab you. What was that? That good? Hey, good job, Michelle.